I am going to explain about Mendel's law of independent assortment. This law of independent assortment was declared after the dihybrid cross of Mendel, and that's why I made a chart of one of the dihybrid cross of Mendel. Look at this. When pure round seeded pea plant having yellow color, I mean to say color of the seed is yellow and it is round, its texture is round. When round and yellow seeded pea plant is cross-pollinated with wrinkled and green seeded pea plant, it means we are taking two characters. First character is texture of seed. Texture of seed may be round, may be wrinkled. There are two characters, one character having two factors or two genes, and one character is texture of seed, another character is color of seed. Color of seed is taken as what? Yellow or green. Two characters are taken having two factors, round or wrinkled. Another character has two factors, yellow or green color seed. When he crossed these two, when cross-pollinated, then all the pea plant appeared round yellow in first generation. But when he self-pollinated the plant of first generation, then what he found, there are four different phenotypes, four different appearance. Some of the pea plants are round yellow, some are round green, some are wrinkled yellow, some are wrinkled green. Their genotype is represented here. This round is dominant, yellow is dominant, but wrinkle and green both are recessive character. That's why, looking at this genotype, if at least one of the R is capital, that is round seeded pea plant, and if at least one of the Y is capital, that is yellow seeded pea plant. But if both the R is small, then it is wrinkled seeded pea plant, and if both the Y is small, then it is green seeded pea plant. This way we can identify, looking at this genotype, we can identify its phenotype, external appearance, that is phenotype. Look at, if genotype is this, it is round yellow, round yellow, round yellow, round yellow. I star marked this, star marked plant is round yellow because at least there is one R capital which is dominant round, and at least one Y is capital which is dominant yellow. That's why this star mark are round yellow. And this zero mark is round green. Both the I is capital, both the R is capital, Y both are small, it means this is green. Both Y is small, it is green, one of the R is capital, that's why it is round. This is round green. But box marked are, this both are small, that's why wrinkled yellow. Wrinkled, one of the Y is capital, that's why yellow. One of the Y is capital, wrinkled yellow. And this is wrinkled green. This way, what is the conclusion? In second generation, four different phenotype appeared. It means in nature what was found, round was yellow seeded. Round seeded pea plant who had yellow colored seed. And in the same way, in the nature what he found, wrinkled seeded pea plant had green seed, as a green colored seed. But is it true forever? Actually, this is the experiment, whether there is any relation between round seeded pea plant and yellow color and relation between this wrinkle with green. Because it is found that wrinkle is green seeded pea plant and round seeded pea plant is yellow colored seed. That's why he was trying to find out these two factors or genes of a character, they have any link with each other or not. Then what is found later in second generation, round is found to be green also. It is not necessarily to be yellow. And wrinkle is found yellow also. Wrinkle was green, but later he found that wrinkle is yellow also. That's why he declared that there is no any link between the factors or genes of different character with each other. I mean to say, if a pea plant is round seeded pea plant and its color is yellow, then it's not necessarily to be the same in next generation. There is no relation between round and yellow. In the same way, if a pea plant is wrinkled, its texture is wrinkled, and if it is green in color, but there is no any connection between wrinkle and green. Later, wrinkle will be yellow also, and green will be round-seeded also. This way, he declared another law, which is called law of independent assortment, and it is declared with the help of dihybrid cross, and this law can be written shortly like this. According to Mendel's law of independent assortment, different factors or genes of different character, here two characters are taken, different factors or genes of different character of the organism do not have any link with each other, but they randomly distribute in the offspring. Round-seeded pea plant having yellow colored seed may be later in offspring not attached with each other. Round may be green also, wrinkled may be yellow also. There is no link. This was the conclusion of Mendel's law of independent assortment.